In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bollinger Bands indicators on TradingView Pro with a quick and easy guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and how to get Bollinger Bands showing on your charts, so you can start using them in your own trading analysis. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or any time frame. The process is the same. Once your chart is visible, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It usually sits above the chart area, alongside tools like timeframes and chart types. Go ahead and click on the Indicators button. This will open the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and manage all the technical tools you want to add. Inside this window, you'll see several categories. To keep things organized and easy to find, TradingView groups many tools under a technical section. Click on the Technical tab or category. This tells TradingView that you're looking for classic built-in technical indicators rather than community scripts or other types of tools. Now that you're in the technical section, you'll see a list of indicators. You can scroll through this list or use the search bar at the top. What we want is the standard Bollinger Bands indicator. If you prefer to scroll, look for it under the indicators list, but using the search bar is usually faster, especially if you're new. Just type Bollinger Bands into the search field and you should see it appear in the results as a built-in indicator. Once you see Bollinger Bands in the list, click on it one time. As soon as you do, TradingView will automatically add it to your chart. You'll notice three lines appear: the middle band, which is usually a moving average, and an upper and lower band that expand and contract with price volatility. You can leave the default settings as they are to start with, or later you can open the settings for Bollinger Bands on your chart to adjust things like the length or the standard deviation, depending on your trading style. If you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want access to more features and a smoother experience, you can use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you'll be able to follow along with all my future tutorials and get the most out of these indicators.